Hi friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of PayPal. Here we go to settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we search about the application of PayPal app and we click. In this window of app info you will click on first stop and we click OK. Then we go to storage. Here we click on clear cache. Then we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of PayPal. If you find updates, then you will update your app, so please don't forget to